Assalamu alaikum and good morning, students. Today we start with the 16th week of online learning. Our today's lesson is from Unit 6. Why do people write poems? This is our first comprehension. You can be a poet from page 58 and 59. Our for today are: by the end of the lesson, you will be able to identify new vocabulary and discuss its meanings, visualize in your mind what the poet wants to say in the form of a picture. Now, let's listen to the comprehension. Our today's comprehension is about 3 types of poems: acrostic poems, cinquain poems, and haiku poems. Let's listen to the comprehension, the reading.
Page 58. Read. You can be a poet. Poets write about the world in a special way. They want to share the beauty and joy of life. You can be a poet too. Just remember these 3 points. 1. A good poet observes things carefully. When you were going to school this morning, what did you notice? Many poets write about the things they see around them. 2. A good poet has a good imagination. When you imagine, you create something in your mind. Then, when you write about it, others can enjoy your imagination too. 3. A good poet knows how to describe things. How does something look, smell, or feel? Does it make a sound? Writing about these things can make a poem interesting. There are many different kinds of poems. Here are 3 examples that you can try right away. They are fun to write and fun to read. Try them, and you can become a poet too. Acrostic.
An acrostic poem uses all the letters of the topic word to describe the topic. How to write an acrostic poem. Find one topic word that is interesting to you. Write the word vertically, up and down. Use each letter as the beginning of a new word. The new word should tell us something about the topic word. They don't have to be rhyming words. Here's an example of an acrostic poem using the topic word Hawaii. Hot, aloha, waves, angelfish, interesting, islands.
Cinquain. A cinquain poem has 5 lines. How to write a cinquain poem. Line 1. One noun for the topic word. Line 2. 2 adjectives that describe the topic word. Line 3. 3 action verbs that end in ing. Line 4. A sentence about the topic word. Line 5. One new noun that is similar to the topic word. Snow. Cold. Silent. Falling. Dancing. Glittering. Tiny snowflakes kiss my nose. Crystals. Haiku.
Haiku comes from Japan. Haiku poems use an exact number of syllables in each line. Haiku poems are often about nature and one of the 4 seasons. How to write a haiku poem. Line 1. Use 5 syllables. Line 2. Use 7 syllables. Line 3. Use 5 syllables. Summer sings hello. A robin hops through the grass, looking for a worm.
Remember to choose a topic that interests you and carefully choose your words. Have fun sharing your poems.
Now, let's look at the difficult words and their meanings. Our first word is rhyming. That means corresponding sounds to each other or to another one. The second word is angelfish, a kind of small freshwater fish. Our third word is snowflakes, a small piece of snow that falls from the sky. Our fourth word is syllables, a unit of pronunciation having one vowel sound with or without surrounding consonants. Our next word is robin, a small old world thrush related to the chats. Aloha, Hawaiian word used when greeting or parting from someone. Now, let's look at our assignment for the comprehension. Students are going to solve all three A, B and C parts of the assignment. For example, let me help you how you're going to solve it. You have been given clouds for acrostic poems, cinquain poems and haiku poems, and you have been given 6 points. You are going to choose from those 2 points each for these poems, like 2 for acrostic, 2 for cinquain and 2 for haiku poems. I'm going to help you to solve the first one, that is the acrostic poem. Now, what 2 points go for the acrostic poem? Let's see. Please look at point number 2. If the topic word is long, the poem will be long. Now, that is 1 point that goes with the acrostic poem. And the second point would be number 5. You can read the topic word vertically. So, in an acrostic poem, we can find these 2 qualities. That is number 2 and number 5. Now, likewise, you guys are going to solve or put 2 points for the cinquain poem and 2 for the haiku poem. Now, exercise B asks you to choose what is the main idea of you can be a poet out of all these 3 given. Which one is the main idea? Is it the first one, second one or the third one? Now you have to listen to the comprehension very carefully to answer that. And exercise C, words in context. Write the correct word in each sentence. Our 4 words are exact, describe, observe, imagine. Now you're going to read the sentence. For instance, when you dash something, you look at it carefully. Now, what would you put in the blank? When you observe something, you look at it carefully. Likewise, you're going to put the rest of the 3 words, vocabulary words given in the next 3 blanks according to the meaning and appropriacy. Now, our assignment. Reread the comprehension on your own after listening to it at least twice. Learn the word meanings by heart that were given in the PPT. Complete exercise A, B and C on page 60 that was just described to you. Thank you, girls. I hope you understood today's lesson. Allah Hafiz. Stay home, stay safe.